A world of mystery, beauty and danger. A planet so close to ours yet shrouded in secrets. Mars, the red planet. What secrets does it hold? What can we learn from its cold, barren landscape? And could it one day be our new home? Join us as we venture into the unknown, exploring the wonders and dangers of Mars. But beware, what we discover could change everything. Part 1. The Call of Mars. For centuries, Mars has captivated human imagination, a mysterious world named after the Roman god of war with a desolate landscape that both intrigues and terrifies us. In 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft became the first to send back images of the Martian surface, revealing a cold, arid landscape, much like Earth's deserts. But it wasn't always this way. Once, Mars was a much warmer place. It had rivers, oceans, and an atmosphere thick enough to support life. But something happened. The planet's magnetic field disappeared. The atmosphere thinned and Mars began its slow, painful descent into the lifeless world we see today. Part 2. A deadly world. Mars is a world of extremes. Its surface temperatures can plummet to minus 125 degrees Celsius at the poles. Winds whip through the dust storms at speeds over 60 miles per hour. And the air? It's mostly carbon dioxide with less than 1% of the oxygen we need to breathe. But there's one thing that makes Mars truly terrifying. Its deadly, unpredictable dust storms. Some of them can engulf the entire planet, blocking out the sun for weeks, even months. Imagine being trapped on a world where the sky is pitch black, where sunlight is a distant memory. When NASA's Opportunity rover encountered one of these storms in 2018, it was never heard from again. Was it destroyed by the storm, or did it simply run out of power, lost in the endless dust? The mystery remains unsolved. Part 3. The secrets beneath the surface. But Mars isn't just dangerous on the surface. Beneath the barren soil lies even more intrigue. In recent years, scientists have discovered something extraordinary: water. Not liquid, but ice, vast glaciers buried deep beneath the Martian surface. In 2018, NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter discovered a hidden lake beneath the southern ice cap. Could this ancient water source be a key to unlocking the planet's past, or even the key to human survival? If life ever existed on Mars, it likely thrived in the warmth of ancient lakes. Some scientists believe that traces of microbial life could still be frozen in the Martian ice. A discovery of Martian life would change everything we know about the universe. Part 4. The Race to Mars. But Mars is more than just a planet of the past, it's the future. For decades, humanity has dreamed of sending astronauts to Mars. Now, with private companies like SpaceX leading the charge, the dream is becoming reality. In 2024, SpaceX's Starship is scheduled to send humans to the Martian surface for the first time. But the journey won't be easy. Mars is a hostile world. The journey to Mars will take months, and the harsh environment could make landing a near impossible task. The thin atmosphere means Mars offers little protection from the harsh impact of landing. And once on the surface, astronauts will face extreme isolation, radiation, and the constant threat of dust storms, yet the human spirit is not easily deterred. Part 5. The Martian Landscape. So what will Mars look like from the surface? Imagine standing on a world where the sky is a dull orange, and the landscape stretches out endlessly, filled with vast canyons, towering mountains, and ancient riverbeds. Mars is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, 3 times the height of Mount Everest, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, so vast it could stretch across the United States. The Martian surface is a place of extremes, a place where every discovery feels like a breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. But as we study Mars, one question keeps coming up. Could we ever live here? Could Mars become the next home for humanity? Part 6. The Future of Mars. In the coming decades, Mars will become a focal point for exploration and colonization, but it won't be easy. Mars doesn't have a magnetic field to protect us from radiation, and its atmosphere is so thin it can't provide enough oxygen for human life. But scientists are already working on solutions, terraforming, creating sustainable habitats, and even using the planet's resources to support human life. It's a massive undertaking that will take decades, but the dream of a human colony on Mars is within reach. Mars may be an inhospitable world today, but its potential is limitless. It's a place where humanity could start anew, a fresh chapter in the story of our survival. But for now, Mars remains a world of mystery and danger, a challenge unlike any we have faced before. What will we find when we finally set foot on Mars? Only time will tell. But we are getting closer every day.